two, three.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel, which is Asmi Tales. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a drawing challenge with my dad!
Yay! So it's going to be a daughter and dad challenge.
Yes. So he doesn't know what this challenge is because I kept this a total secret.
It's a surprise challenge for me.
Yes. He doesn't know what the drawing is and he doesn't even know what the challenge technically is. So this challenge is going to be a 3-color challenge. So a lot of people do a 3-marker challenge, which is you close your eyes and then you pick 3 markers from the marker.
But I can pick only 3 colors, right?
Yes, and so for example, I got purple and my purple is not working. So I'll get a purple from any of these colors.
Got it.
So this challenge is going to be a shoes challenge, which I'm so excited about. So you can either pick the plain one, which is just really a plain simple shoe, or you can pick the one which has LED lights on the bottom. Which one would you like?
I'll go with the blank one.
I'll go with, I actually wanted this one. Okay,
So
let's
keep
start.
this in the center and
Okay, so here's the marker.
I'm not going to use the markers, I'm going to use the pencil paper.
Okay, sure.
Yeah?
Like the crayons or the pencils?
Pencils.
Okay, the pencils.
So first you pick.
Okay.
Okay, first I will go.
Okay.
Yeah?
Wait, I'll close your eyes.
I'm not. So the colors that I've got are army green, jade, and maroon. Okay. Woo! Nice.
So when you
That's a palette.
Yeah. So when. Okay, now it's my turn. I'll go with the markers.
Okay. Close your eyes. No cheating. No cheating. Okay. Pick your first one. It's over here. Yeah. Okay.
So the colors I got were green, dark blue, and purple, and I got the worst palette ever. At least my dad got a watermelon pattern, but I got the 3 colors that were totally opposite to each other. So after that, I thought that I could do a blue sky, green grass, and purple flowers. But the shoe is not the green grass or the blue sky.
Let's show the colors first. These are my colors.
And these are my colors.
So let's take the challenge and see who wins.
Father versus daughter. Let's see who wins.
A few moments later.
Now is the time you all have been waiting for. Our drawings are ready. Let's see them.
So let's disclose. 1, 2,
Dad's.
3. That's mine.
So the audio here got a little weird, so I decided I'll give this part a voiceover. So if you're wondering that there's probably only 2 colors and we picked 3 colors, so both of the greens that we picked, they were actually the same color, like pretty close. So that's why you probably can't see the darker color, because like on the cover it shows pretty dark, but in real life when you actually draw it on paper, it's pretty different. Has that ever happened to you before? Please tell me in the comments down below. Different types of things. So mine is like... Okay, so I was actually trying to do like this ice cream sort of theme, but that didn't really work out with the green. So I just did solid colors and then I tried pastel, but that also didn't work out. So it's a thing with different types of colors. And for some reason I think my dad won, and so does my dad. But if you like it, like mine, or my dad's, please tell me in the comments down below which one you like more. We both are eager, and if you want a part 2, then like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below if you want a part 2 or any videos you prefer.
A daughter.
Or dad.
See you in my next video. Bye.
Bye guys. See you.